So in the question we have that a horizontal glass tube is of length 100 centimeters. So if you take this as the glass tube, the mercury will be over here. It is sealed at both the ends and it contains mercury column in the middle. So let us consider that the mercury column is over here. Now there is air filled on both the ends. They have told that there is 10 centimeters of mercury. So here length, the mercury is 10 centimeters. And they have told the total length of the rod is 100 centimeters and mercury is in middle. So the length of this side and will be 45 and the length of this side also will be 45. And they have told the temperature and pressure of air on both the sides of mercury column are 0 degrees Celsius. So the temperature over here is 273 Kelvin, that is nothing but 0 degrees, and pressure is 80 centimeters of mercury. Same thing over here, temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is 80 centimeters. Now if the air column at one end is kept at 0 degrees, that is temperature is 273 itself, other end the temperature is 273 Celsius, that is nothing but 546 Kelvin. Now as the temperature is more over here, it will exert more pressure, so the mercury will move towards this end. So the mercury will move towards this end. So now it will be towards this part. Both the sides pressure will be equal because for this mercury to be in equilibrium, both the sides pressure will be equal. If you consider the pressure at this end is P1 and the pressure at this end is P2, for this P1 will be equal to P2. So as the mercury, now we'll take the length is equal to, as the initially the length of this side of the gas column was 45. Now if you consider the mercury moves x centimeters this side, so the length of this part will be 45 minus x, this is L1, and L2 will be 45 plus x because it moves this side, so it will be 45 plus x. Now we'll find out the value of L. We know P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. P1 is equal to P2, so both will get cancelled. Volume can be written as area into L1. Area will be same by T1 is equal to V2 is nothing but A into L2 by T2. Area will be same, so area also will get cancelled. L1 is nothing but 45 minus x by T1 is nothing but 273. This is T1 and this is T2. So L2 is 45 plus x, T2 is 546 Kelvin. This one's, this two's. So if you cross multiply, we'll get 90 minus 2x is equal to 45 plus x. We'll get 3x is equal to 45, so x is equal to 15. So mercury moves 15 centimeters this side. We have to find P1. We'll take the left side of the mercury. The left side, initially left side is this one and finally it is this one. So for now we'll consider this as the initial pressure, this as the final pressure, P1 as the final pressure. And this is 273 as initial temperature, final temperature is also same. L will be 45 and L1 will be 45 minus x. I'll write all of the values now. P1 is equal to T2 is equal to 273 Kelvin. P is equal to 80 centimeters. P1 we need to find. L is 45 centimeters. And L1 will be 45 minus x is 15. 45 minus 15 is 30. So L1 is equal to 30. So from this is not T1, T2, it is T and T1. So from this we can write P into V by T is equal to P1 V1 by T1. T and T1 both are equal. So it will get cancelled. P1 is 80. volume can be written as A into L1. A into L. This is equal to P1 we need to find. V1 is A into L1. Area is same, so it will get cancelled. 80 into L is 45 centimeters. This is equal to P1 we need to find. L1 is 30. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 3 ones, 3 15s. So P1 is equal to 120 centimeters of Hg. So pressure at this end will be 120 centimeters of mercury. So the option is three.